the heart of China, farmers are raising one of the rarest and most valuable chickens in the world, the black chicken. Unlike regular poultry, these birds have jet black feathers, black skin, black bones, and even black organs. But what makes them so special? Why are they selling for up to 10 times the price of regular chickens? This is not just about color. Black chickens are believed to have powerful medicinal properties, making them a top choice for luxury dining and traditional healing. Demand is skyrocketing, and Chinese farmers are turning this rare breed into a multi-million-dollar business. How are these farmers raising black chickens for both premium eggs and high-value meat? What's the secret behind their rapid growth and massive profits? Stay with us as we uncover the black chicken farming techniques that are transforming small farms into thriving enterprises. Black chickens are unlike any other poultry in the world. Their striking appearance with jet black feathers, skin, bones, and even organs has fascinated people for centuries. But beyond their unique color, these birds hold deep cultural, medicinal, and economic significance, especially in China. They are not just a curiosity, they are a highly valued commodity, sought after for their nutritional benefits and believed healing properties. While regular chickens are bred for mass consumption, black chickens are considered a luxury, often featured in high-end cuisine and traditional medicine. For centuries, black chickens have been used in Chinese medicine, particularly the silky breed, known for its distinctive soft, fluffy feathers. Their meat is believed to strengthen the immune system, improve circulation, and provide essential nutrients that promote overall well-being. Unlike standard poultry, black chicken meat contains more antioxidants, amino acids, and higher levels of protein, while maintaining lower fat content. Many people consume them in herbal soups, especially for recovery after illness, childbirth, or surgery. These beliefs have fueled a growing market, making black chickens a premium product that commands a much higher price than ordinary poultry. The genetic trait responsible for their dark pigmentation is called fibromelanosis, a rare mutation that causes excessive melanin production throughout the bird's body. While this trait is found in several breeds, such as Ayam Cemani from Indonesia and Kadaknath from India, the silky remains the most widely recognized in China. The deep black color is not just for aesthetics, but has also contributed to the perception that these chickens are superior in taste and health benefits. Many consumers claim the meat has a richer, more intense flavor compared to standard chicken, making it a preferred choice for special occasions and medicinal diets. Due to their rarity and slower growth rate, black chickens require specialized care, which further increases their value. Unlike factory-farmed broilers, they are often raised in free-range environments, where they can roam freely and feed on a natural diet of grains, herbs, and insects. This method enhances the quality of their meat, giving it a firmer texture and deeper taste. With rising demand for organic and health-boosting foods, black chickens are becoming even more popular, creating a lucrative opportunity for farmers who specialize in their production. Whether for their supposed medicinal properties, cultural significance, or luxurious appeal, these birds have cemented their place as one of the most valuable breeds in the poultry industry. Raising black chickens is not just about breeding exotic birds. It requires careful planning, proper nutrition, and an ideal environment to maximize their growth and quality. Unlike conventional broiler chickens, which are bred for rapid weight gain, black chickens develop at a slower pace, making their farming process more intricate. This slower growth is a key factor in their premium value, as it enhances the texture and flavor of their meat. However, this also means that farmers must be patient and willing to invest more time and effort in raising these birds properly. One of the most important aspects of black chicken farming is creating the right habitat. These birds thrive in free-range environments where they have ample space to roam and forage naturally. In China, many farmers build enclosed outdoor areas with natural vegetation, allowing the chickens to feed on a mix of grains, herbs, and insects. This not only contributes to their overall health but also improves the nutritional quality of their meat and eggs. Unlike industrial poultry farms, which confine chickens in overcrowded spaces, black chicken farms prioritize natural movement and a stress-free environment, resulting in healthier and tastier birds. Feeding plays a crucial role in ensuring the optimal growth and quality of black chickens. Their diet consists of organic grains, protein-rich feed, and a variety of medicinal herbs believed to enhance their health and immunity. Some farmers even incorporate traditional Chinese medicinal ingredients, such as goji berries, ginseng, and astragalus, into their feed. These supplements are thought to boost the chicken's vitality and further increase the perceived health benefits of their meat. A well-balanced diet not only improves the quality of the final product, but also strengthens the bird's immune system, reducing the need for antibiotics and artificial growth enhancers. Water quality is another critical factor in raising black chickens. Clean, fresh water is essential for maintaining their health and growth. Many farmers ensure their chickens have access to natural spring water or filtered drinking sources to prevent contamination and disease. Since black chickens are more delicate than standard poultry breeds, maintaining hygiene in their living spaces is essential. Regular cleaning of coops, proper ventilation, and protection from extreme weather conditions all contribute to a successful farming operation. With the right combination of natural habitat, proper nutrition, and a stress-free environment, black chickens reach their full potential, producing high-quality meat and nutrient-rich eggs. This careful approach to farming ensures that consumers receive a product that is not only delicious, but also rich in health benefits, making black chicken farming one of the most profitable niches in the poultry industry. The demand for black chicken eggs and meat has grown rapidly, driven by their unique nutritional benefits and deep cultural significance. Unlike conventional chicken products, black chicken meat is prized for its rich, gamey flavor and high levels of essential nutrients. Its dark flesh is packed with antioxidants, amino acids, and minerals, making it a preferred choice for those seeking a healthier alternative to regular poultry. The eggs, though smaller than those of standard chickens, are considered more nutritious and contain a higher concentration of protein and vitamins. This perception has fueled a growing market both domestically in China and internationally, where health-conscious consumers are willing to pay a premium for these specialty products. Traditional Chinese medicine has long embraced black chicken as a source of healing and vitality. For centuries, its meat has been used to prepare medicinal soups believed to enhance blood circulation, boost immunity, and strengthen the body. Pregnant women, the elderly, and individuals recovering from illness are often encouraged to consume black chicken for its restorative properties. This deep-rooted cultural belief significantly boosts the demand for black chicken products, making them a staple in Chinese households and high-end restaurants alike. In urban centers, black chicken dishes are featured on gourmet menus, often accompanied by herbal broths that enhance their medicinal properties. Beyond China, black chicken farming has expanded into global markets, attracting attention in countries such as Japan, Korea, and the United States. With the rise of organic and specialty food markets, consumers are actively seeking alternative protein sources that offer both unique flavors and health benefits. This shift has led to an increase in exports, with Chinese farmers supplying black chicken meat and eggs to international buyers who recognize their superior quality. The poultry industry has also adapted to meet this growing demand, with some farms focusing exclusively on organic, hormone-free black chicken production to cater to health-conscious markets. The premium pricing of black chicken products makes them an attractive investment for farmers looking to maximize profits. Unlike conventional poultry farming, where margins are often slim due to mass production and market saturation, black chicken farming allows for higher revenue per bird. Specialty poultry retailers and online food platforms have capitalized on this niche, marketing black chicken as a rare delicacy that offers exceptional health benefits. This strategic positioning has helped sustain the high market value of black chicken products, ensuring a steady income for farmers who meet the industry's quality standards. As black chicken farming continues to evolve, its profitability remains closely tied to maintaining product authenticity and meeting consumer expectations. Farmers who prioritize ethical breeding, sustainable feeding practices, and premium quality control are best positioned to thrive in this expanding market. With rising global awareness of health-focused diets and traditional medicinal foods, black chicken is no longer just a local delicacy. It is a growing international phenomenon with a bright future in the poultry industry. Raising black chickens successfully requires more than just basic poultry farming knowledge. These birds have unique needs that must be carefully managed to ensure optimal growth, egg production, and meat quality. Unlike commercial broilers, black chickens grow at a slower rate, requiring more time before they reach market weight. This extended growth period means that farmers must provide a balanced, nutrient-rich diet to support their development, while maintaining the deep pigmentation and firm texture that make their meat so valuable. High-quality grains, fresh vegetables, and protein-rich supplements such as mealworms or soybeans are commonly used to enhance their nutritional intake. Many farmers also integrate traditional herbal additives into their feed, believing that these natural ingredients improve the overall health and resilience of the birds. Black chickens thrive in free-range or semi-free-range environments, where they can forage naturally and engage in instinctive behaviors such as scratching, pecking, and dust bathing. Unlike industrial poultry farming, where birds are confined to small spaces, black chicken farming often prioritizes outdoor access and natural sunlight exposure. This approach not only improves the welfare of the birds, but also contributes to better meat quality by promoting muscle development and reducing stress. Some farms design specialized enclosures with shaded areas and perches to encourage natural movement while protecting the birds from harsh weather and potential predators. Disease prevention is another critical aspect of black chicken farming. Because these birds are raised for their premium value, maintaining a clean and disease-free environment is essential. Farmers implement strict biosecurity measures, including routine vaccinations, regular health checks, and clean water systems to prevent infections. Herbal medicine and probiotics are frequently used as natural alternatives to antibiotics, helping to strengthen the immune system without compromising the organic integrity of the final product. With careful attention to feeding, housing, and health management, black chickens can be raised efficiently while maintaining their sought-after qualities. Farmers who invest in proper care and sustainable practices not only ensure high-quality yields, but also build a reputation for producing some of the finest poultry in the market. This commitment to excellence is what continues to drive the success of black chicken farming in China and beyond. Marketing and selling black chickens require a strategic approach to maximize profits and reach the right consumers. Unlike conventional poultry, black chickens are considered a premium product, often commanding higher prices due to their rarity, nutritional value, and cultural significance. Farmers must target niche markets, including health-conscious consumers, traditional medicine practitioners, and high-end restaurants that seek exotic ingredients. Many farmers collaborate directly with specialty grocery stores, organic markets, and online platforms to reach customers willing to pay a premium for high-quality, naturally raised poultry. Branding plays a crucial role in differentiating black chicken products from standard poultry. Farmers emphasize the natural rearing methods, unique health benefits, and superior taste of the meat and eggs to appeal to their target audience. Some use storytelling to highlight the rich history and traditional significance of black chickens, reinforcing their value as more than just a food product. Attractive packaging, certifications for organic or free-range farming, and transparent sourcing information all contribute to building consumer trust and increasing sales. Expanding into value-added products can further enhance profitability. Processed black chicken products such as soups, herbal broths, and pre-marinated cuts are highly sought after, especially in urban markets where convenience is a priority. Farmers who establish direct supply chains with restaurants and food companies can secure consistent demand while minimizing reliance on fluctuating market prices. With growing interest in nutritious and ethically raised food, black chicken farming continues to thrive as a lucrative industry. Those who adopt innovative marketing strategies, maintain high-quality standards, and build strong consumer connections can turn black chicken farming into a highly profitable business. By focusing on both traditional and modern sales channels, farmers ensure steady growth and long-term success in this unique poultry market. Black chicken farming is more than just raising poultry. It's a thriving industry driven by tradition, nutrition, and high market demand. From their deep cultural roots to their powerful health benefits and strong market appeal, these unique birds offer a lucrative opportunity for farmers who understand their value. Whether it's selling premium meat and eggs, tapping into traditional medicine markets, or expanding into high-end culinary spaces, black chickens provide a competitive edge in the poultry business. With the right approach to breeding, care, and marketing, farmers can turn this rare breed into a sustainable and profitable venture. The key lies in smart farming techniques, strategic branding, and a keen eye for market trends. As consumer demand for natural, high-quality food continues to rise, black chickens are becoming more than just a niche product. They're a symbol of premium, health-focused farming. If you found this insight into black chicken farming valuable, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more in-depth farming techniques and business strategies. Share your thoughts in the comments. Would you consider raising black chickens? Let us know, and stay tuned for more groundbreaking content on innovative farming and food production.